Hey everyone, going to be showing you how not to install a wig. Step number 1, don't be in a bad mood. Second step, braid your hair into cornrows, not the French braids you see here. It does not work because it's too bulky and your wig won't fit unless you have a really big cap size. I suggest you gel like I'm about to show here to keep all your hair in place underneath the wig cap so you don't have any stray baby hairs. The next step after getting your baby hairs out the way is to freeze spray your wig cap on. Yes, we do this step even though this video is about what not to do. Then you're going to blow dry and not use a scarf to hold it in place. Bad idea. Next, you're going to cut the excess nylon around your hairline as close as you can to your scalp and with the sharpest pair of scissors you can find. I showed here, as I said, what not to do so you can see my baby hair underneath. And beside my ear, I'll be showing a tutorial on how to do this and to not have this happen, where it's going to come up beside your ear and you won't see any nylon underneath. Fail! No gel or glue can fix this issue. I tried and tried and tried. You need to have the wig cap placed perfectly initially. With that being said, I suggest do not ever use glue, only gel. The glue will ruin your hairline on your wig and it pulls out the hair from the knots. And that's the last thing we want. It makes me roll my eyes and gives me a bad attitude. Which, as you can see here, I'm changing because I'm getting so excited to put this wig on. Make sure you don't have a bad attitude while installing because you want to pay attention. Okay, honey. Just be grateful you have the opportunity to work with the wig, period. It is a blessing and it determines how well you keep the wig and comb through it, take care of it, etc. The better your attitude, the better you'll wear it, for sure. Now I'm trying to situate where the wig will be placed before I put my glue on, which was a big mistake. I really wish that I only used gel for this wig because it did almost ruin my hairline when I took it off. So again, not to put any glue companies down, I just suggest you don't use it. Even though you want to keep it on for a long time, it's not worth it. Just use gel, or better yet, use a velvet wig band. They do absolutely work. I didn't know they were invented at the time of installing this wig, but recently I got one, actually made one, you can do as well, and it works significantly better than anything. Here I go with the scarf again. This is the worst thing you can do. It leaves lint through the lace, through the hair, on the scalp. So when you wear it for days, then it turns black and that looks horrible. Just use gel. Also, if I had used gel, I would have had a much easier time combing through this hairline and making the baby hairs I wanted, which I wasn't able to do for hours later. Cutting the hairline is a different story. I should have cut it before installing so that I'm able to get a more accurate and straight hairline. It may seem that this is the best way to go, but you simply cannot see what you're doing. In the next video, when I do a proper install, you'll see what I mean, how grabbing the hair instead of the lace works better when you're pulling the hair forward than to trust that the lace is doing the best job for you. It's not, and you can have a much more accurate hairline if you cut the lace previous. I think I'm overdosing, trying to keep up with the fucking motion. My mind out in the open, trying to stay fucking focused. I think I'm overdosing, I done took too many other doses. My mind out in the open, trying to keep up with the fucking motion. Baby girl, that pussy go. Buzz it out. Yeah, let me get up in your house. Yeah, let me go be on the go. You trying me. Took your soul, look, baby, go ride with me. Go ahead, you can ride with me. Go ahead.